In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting UVXY to go. You're going to know my whole outlooks on this thing for absolutely free, and nobody's doing this on YouTube, so buckle up. First things first, as always, nothing on the channel constitutes financial professional advice. Everything is my personal thought. Having a look at the bottom right corner, we can see that we overall have a pretty bearish performance, right? This is actually not so great. 65% down in the past year, 42 in the past 6 months. From the start of the year, you were even down there too. But even the fact that overall the whole trend is still bearish is just a big red flag for this thing, and I'm going to be 100% with you. And let me just remove everything in case we have something on the chart, which we don't right now. Yeah, you can see some big bearish trends. This is even the monthly chart. I'm talking about starting to, like, we started trading in 2011, and ever since then we have been in a big bearish trend. Now my prediction is this. Okay, I'm expecting the price to do this. Again, like the video because nobody's doing this on YouTube for absolutely free. So I'm expecting these lows to continue to get cleared like this. We have the high like that. You can go ahead, check my testimonials, see the the results and whatnot. But yeah, let's